Hiya and welcome to today's video. So this is a question I get asked a lot by my clients, especially when they're starting out or they've got a website that's been out there for a while and it's not doing very well. Basically, they want to know how the search engines work. Okay, because they think, right, well, I've put a website out there. Why is it not number one when people are searching for something? Okay, and I have to explain the reasons why it's not getting found. But more importantly, once you understand the reasons that something does get found, it becomes a lot clearer and also makes it easier for you as a writer, content creator, whatever business owner, makes it easier then to focus on the reasons that you're getting found. Okay, so the first bit you have to understand about this is the internet and search engines is not instantaneous. Okay, it's a system, it's a program. Imagine it like a big giant library, and you've got a librarian now who knows everything in that library. Okay, so the librarian is the search engine. Okay, and behind her in the library is all the information that that person has about all the websites or books that are in that library. Okay, so if you come in and ask the librarian a question, how do I build this or how do I build that? This librarian has got such a great understanding, she can go off and get hopefully the perfect book with the answer that you want and give that across to you. Okay, that is what a search engine is actually doing. So the way that it actually does it, so with search engines, okay, what they actually are is a great big set of servers in a building somewhere, okay, where what happens is they send out what's called a spider. Sorry about the pictures. Okay, and these spiders come across and they land on websites. What they do, they start up here and they just read all the information from that website. So the information they're reading, they're looking at what the contents are, what the words are, what the internal linking, how many pages are on there, what are the pages about, so if you imagine each page being like a chapter in a book, it's reading all that information, then checking all the pictures, right, are these pictures relevant, how many other websites are linking back and connecting to this book saying this is a great book. And the way it finds more and more pages is it goes through what's called internal links and can read more and more information. So once that information's there, that then gets fed back to the server and stored. Okay, so that knows, all right, this website, www.yourbusiness.com, is all about this, and this is the information that's on there. Okay, and then what happens is someone comes along in the search, they type in whatever it is, the librarian or the search engine goes and has a look at what's in here and then feeds it back to you in the form of all the different information that you receive in Google and in what's coming back to you. So the librarian or the search engine is going back, getting that information and sending it back to you. Okay, this is why your website is so important, because here is where all the magic happens. Okay, so if you can get key things, content that's relevant, images that aren't numbered as one image 1, 2, 3, but actually say person building a house, person looking for this, or something that can be understood by our little friend, the spider here, so he knows what those pictures are about. Then the menu, what's coming off the menu? How many pages? Is there a blog which has hundreds more pages and info in it. Then we have backlinking. And these are all pointing in here saying, oh, this is a fantastic website. This is a great website. This website's about this or it's about that. This is all more information for our little friend, the spider. Where have I gone? Our little friend, the spider, to know that what we've got here, I don't know what's gone on there, my pen's broke, but our little friend, the spider here, knows, right, this is a really good website. And if someone types in here, I'll use an example, plumber in Newcastle, it has already read the website and it's already knows, oh, this website, this business is about plumbing services based in Newcastle. I'll show this. Okay. And it looks at Google Business Profile, social media, backlinks, citations, and loads of other stuff that's going on. Okay. But this is why, if you get this right, fill this full of good content. So if you think someone searches on here, we'll stick with the plumber stuff, fix my drain, okay, and you've got a page with fix my drain, and you've got plenty of backlinks and stuff there. Goes here, goes, oh, I've got the perfect thing for that. I'll show this business with a page for fix my drain, okay, and that appears. The same as if you typed in repair a block drain, leak in bathroom, whatever it is, for every search term that people are looking for, you want to make sure you have content on your website that matches to that. That's why when I get companies that come to me, they've got a one-page website up the top. Trying to write this with my mouse now because my pen's decided to, I pressed a button and it's switched off. Okay, we're a plumber. Okay, and we do X, Y, Z. It's all on one page, and that's it. Okay, so then they're shocked when they never appear. Okay, and the reason they never appear is because there's no information. So when someone types in to the search engine, okay, a question or a problem, do you think that person's going to get the results they want from this one page website? The answer is no. However, if you've got a website out there that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages, 20 pages, 30 pages of information relating to what they have typed in, this is the website that's going to get shown. Okay. This is why how you build, how you write, how you design your website is so important, because this gets crawled and it gets indexed. Okay, so I hope that makes sense, but this is why you need to concentrate on creating a fantastic website. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over how search engines work. Okay, so search engines like Google, Bing and Yahoo are complex systems that use algorithms to retrieve data and deliver search results for users. Here's a simplified overview of the process. So crawling. This is the first step where search engines send out a team of robots, known as crawlers or spiders. I always refer to them as spiders, to find new and updated content. Content can vary, could be a web page, an image, a video, a PDF, etc. But regardless of the format, content is discovered by links. This is why you have blog posts, internal links. It's also why you add your business and website to Google Search Console and Google Analytics, so you know what's getting searched for, what's getting looked at, and what people are actually typing in. So you make sure you cover all those bases. So the next part is the indexing. After a page is crawled, the search engine processes and indexes it, storing and organizing the content found during the crawling process. Once a page is in the index, it's in the running to be displayed as a result to relevant queries. The index is like a giant library that a librarian, search engine, can pull from when someone asks a question. Okay, so you need to make sure on your website you've answered all those questions that people are asking. Next step, processing and ranking. When a search request comes in, the search engine processes it, i.e. it compares the search query to the index pages in the database. Since it is likely that more than one page, usually thousands or hundreds of thousands, contains the keywords, the search engine starts calculating the relevancy of each of the pages in its index to the search query. Quite a few years back, you could spam Google. You could put the keyword into your search page, into your page on your website over and over and over again, and it would go, oh wow, this is all about that. It doesn't work like that anymore. You need to have good quality content, good quality relevant information that is providing the answer to the problem that the person has. Google is way too clever to be spammed anymore. Okay, so the next bit is the algorithms. So to deliver more useful search terms, search results, search engines use algorithms, a set of rules or a unique formula that no one knows that decide the relevance and quality of the pages. These algorithms consider hundreds of factors, including keywords, site usability, so the menu, structure, page structure, speed of the website, all of this sort of stuff, internal links, external links, social signals, and much more. The algorithms are designed to surface high quality, relevant content effectively. Okay, so if you aren't doing those basics, you're going to not come anywhere. Okay, it then does the final part, which is retrieving the results. The last step in the process is delivering search results to the user. This is typically a list that ranks the pages based on the relevancy and authority of the pages. The aim is to provide the most relevant results first. What Google now does, because this is how clever it is, it knows if someone lands on your web page and it's spammy and not very good and people leave fairly quickly, it will mark you down in the search engines. If people land on your web page and stay for a while and read the content or sign up for whatever it is, or they make a call from the website, that will mark you up in the search rankings. So it's important to know what's going on. Usability for the actual end user is vitally important. It's not just about spamming the search engines. Search engines are continually updating their algorithms and technology to improve the accuracy and relevancy of their search results, to ensure users find what they are looking for faster. Understanding this process is key to optimizing your content and ensuring it has the best chance of appearing in search results, thereby driving traffic to your site. Okay, so that's sort of just a pulling it all together. And I hope from that you understand how important it is to have well-structured websites full of great content with the relevant social stuff pointing back to it and linking back to the website, along with Google Business Profile, citations, backlinks, and internal links. So you're putting out more keywords all the time. The more keywords, the more searches you'll get found for. Okay, so but the key thing to take away from this is remembering that the search engines are basically a library.